If you want to delete visited websites on Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to clear your browsing history step by step so you can remove the websites you've visited in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want to clean up your browser, protect your privacy, or simply start fresh. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots icon, which is the main menu. Click on that three dots menu to open the list of options. From the menu, look for the option that says Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Click it, and Chrome will open a new window where you can choose exactly what you want to remove. Now you'll see the browsing data settings. The first thing to do is choose your time range. If you only want to delete recent activity, you can pick something like last hour or last 24 hours. But if you want to remove everything, choose all time. This is the best option if you want to delete all visited websites from Chrome. Next, make sure the box for browsing history is checked. This is the most important one because it removes the websites you visited from your history list. If you want, you can also check cookies and other site data or cached images and files. Just remember that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, and clearing cache can make some sites load a little slower the first time afterward. Once you've selected the options you want, click Delete Data. Chrome will now begin removing your selected browsing information. Depending on how much history you have, this may take just a few seconds. After it finishes, your visited websites will be cleared from Chrome based on the time range and options you selected. If you chose all time and browsing history, then your Chrome history should be wiped clean. That's how easy it is to delete visited websites on Google Chrome. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.